confidentiality, trust, and integrity. He was a career policeman who believes in himself and his ability in getting the job done. He never lowered his professional standard or seek so to do. Rather, he was always able to manage the human and physical resources to good effect by the application of the principles, policies, and practices of the profession and also of the community. This enabled him to apply sound judgment and oftentimes tempered with the use of discretion.
And so I draw your attention, ladies and gentlemen, to the fact that the JCF, when you retire, you actually become an endangered institution. You die early. I'll tell you of you. DSP already died within 1 year of retirement. Then we lost officers such as Michael Ellis, superintendent. Neville Knight, Ellis superintendent. Hugh Morgan, still superintendent. Coral McKenzie, Jennifer McDonald, Harold Thomas. I could go on with a lengthy list. And we also use officers occasionally in service. I will hasten to say that for the JCS Conference Center in Latrobe, St. Elizabeth, the POA will be recommending that this facility be named after one of the founding fathers, DSP Knight. We must therefore accept and acknowledge that while we give ourselves to the service of the citizens of this country, we must enjoy the journey. The JCF will not take care of you and will still be here when we are gone. Many of the persons who sit and talk of you will not take care of you either. Therefore, it is your responsibility to put your well-being first. Your mental, emotional, physical, and even spiritual stability is essential to longevity.